Hi everyone, and welcome to EG1012 Electric Circuits. My name is Bronson Philippa and I'm one of the lecturers for this subject. So I probably don't need to tell you how important electricity is to modern life. I'm sure you recognize the very broad applications of electrotechnology. So basically this subject is where you're going to learn the fundamentals of how electricity works and of electric circuit devices. And of course, this has tremendous applications in all sorts of different industries, in commercial settings, and around your own home. So the way that this subject is going to work is that we'll have video lecture content, so basically similar to this, where you will kind of learn the theory content for the subject, and we'll also have some recordings of practical lab skills to demonstrate how to use some of the equipment that we'll be working with in the pracs. There will also be weekly workshops. So the workshop will consist of written tutorial questions as well as practical activities. And so the way that the tute problems will work is they're set from the textbook. So the textbook is this one here. So this is Electric Circuits by Nielsen and Rydell. So the latest edition is the 11th edition, and the numbers for the tute problems will be as per this edition. So if you have a previous one, then be aware that the tute problem numbers might change a little bit, and you should kind of check with a friend who has the most recent edition to make sure that you're solving the correct tute problems. So in the weekly workshops, you'll work through some tute problems, and you'll also do some practical experimentation to build up your hands-on lab skills. And then your tutor will basically give you a tick mark to say that you have completed the activities for that week's workshop. So it's very important that you make time for watching the lecture videos. So you need to do that basically in your own time. So they're just recorded videos available on demand. So make sure that you stay on top of those. Make sure that you work through those on a regular basis. Many of them will have examples of solving problems, actually doing engineering analysis calculations. So it's a really good idea that you follow along and do those calculations yourself. So get a pen and paper and sit there in front of the computer or in front of the TV and actually, follow along as how to solve some of these problems is actually demonstrated to you, because these are the skills that you need in order to be successful in this subject. So once again, welcome to Electric Circuits. I hope that you find this subject rewarding, and look forward to seeing you in class.